Hey, quick question. Do you talk about your day in English like this? I wake up, I eat, I work, I sleep.
Robot English. If this sounds like you, relax. You're not alone.
But don't scroll away, because today
You'll learn easy, natural English to talk about your daily routine like real people.
we'll show real-life examples.
A funny story. Shadowing practice.
And a quick quiz at the end.
Watch until the end. You'll sound more confident in English.
Let's go!
Let's go!
I eat breakfast. I go to work.
These sentences are correct, but they sound a little boring.
And very robotic, speaking in a cold and simple way.
Native speakers don't talk like a schedule.
They talk relaxed and connected.
For example, instead of I wake up at 7, you can use I usually get up around 7.
Small change, big difference.
Listen to these natural daily routine phrases. I get up around 7.
I grab a quick shower.
I head to work.
I take a short break.
I wind down at night.
This is real English. Now let's use it in real life.
Let's go! Okay, James, let's show a full day from morning to night.
Perfect. I'll start and you jump in anytime. I usually get up around 7. Not exactly 7, around 7.
Important word, around. Life is not perfect. English is not perfect.
Just for 1 minute. Okay, maybe 5 minutes.
Same here. I always say just 1 minute, but it's never 1 minute.
Then I grab some coffee. I don't say I drink coffee.
I make coffee or I grab breakfast.
After that, I say take a quick shower and get ready for work.
Notice this? Notice this. He says quick shower.
Because in the morning, I'm half asleep.
Aren't we all? Okay, my turn. I stretch a little, open the window, and start my day slowly.
Wow, very healthy. I just opened my phone.
Ha ha ha. Then I make breakfast. Nothing big, that means just eggs or toast.
Simple English.
Real life. Then I leave for work around 8 after getting ready.
Leave for work or head to work. Both sound natural.
That work, I don't say I work for 8 hours.
Because robot English again.
I say I stay busy during the day. Or I work till the afternoon.
Much better.
After work, I head home. I get back around 6.
Same here. I chill for a bit, eat dinner, and relax.
Great word. Chill. calm, easy, relaxed.
At night, I wind down with a movie or YouTube.
And that sounds like a real day, not a textbook. Story time! Because stories help you remember.
And they're more fun and easier to remember too.
When I first lived in London, I wanted to sound perfect.
Oh no, that can be stressful.
I prepared sentences in my head. Very correct, very clean. One day, my roommate asked, "So, how's your day?"
Easy question, right? Everyone asks that.
I said, "Wake up at 7, I eat breakfast, and then I go to work. I return home."
Wow, very official.
She smiled and said, "Are you okay? You sound stressed." Then she said, "You don't need perfect English. You need real English."
That's a big lesson. That's a big lesson. And very important.
And after that, I listened more and paid attention to people. And I watched how people really talk in daily life. They say things like, "I usually get up late. I grab something to eat. I'm tired after work."
Short, simple, human, very natural English.
Now, when someone asks me, "How's your day?" "Pretty busy. I got up early, worked all day, and now I'm relaxing."
And that sounds natural, like real, everyday English.
English is not about sounding smart. It's about sounding real, not perfect.
And that's how you connect with people.
Now, let's move on to the shadowing part. Now, your turn. Repeat after us.
I usually get up around 7.
I grab a quick shower.
I head to work around 8.
I take a short break.
I wind down at night.
Rain job. Say it one more time with feeling.
Quiz time! Anna says a sentence, and me fix it.
I wake up at 7.
I get up around 7.
Advice. I eat breakfast.
I grab some breakfast.
I'll go to work.
I head to work.
I watch TV at night.
I wind down with a show.
Amazing. You sound great already.
Today, you learned how to talk about your daily routine.
In easy, natural English. A2 level.
Now your turn. Write one sentence about your day in the comments.
Use one new phrase from this video.
And don't miss the next lesson, where we practice more real English. Like, subscribe, and learn real English with us.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and talk easy.